In this process today, Mr. Binchuk will be adding browns, carbon, and greens, nitrogen. He now has a tub of twigs and leaves that he collected from the garage behind, on the roof. He removes any weeds and he spreads them out over the cardboard. This will be a layer of carbon or browns. Browns can include cardboard, twigs, dried leaves, and mulched wood. Anything that's kind of dead. So he's going to spread that out and make sure that layer is nice and thin using a rake. The next layer that he's going to add is some grass clippings. Now these are green and greens, and they're considered a nitrogen. So greens or nitrogen could be lawn clippings, it could be food scraps, it could be manure.